Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy by Jaspreet Kaur. This is your Jaspreet teacher. In today's session, I am going to teach Theorem 8.3 of Chapter 8 Quadrilaterals from class 9th. So what is our Theorem 8.3? If each pair of opposite side of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So actually it is a converse of Theorem 8.2. 8 point theorem was in a parallelogram, opposite side will be equal. So in that theorem, we proved opposite sides are equal and parallelogram was given. But here we have to prove this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram and we are given with opposite pair of sides are equal. So this is the converse part of theorem 8.2. If you want to go through the theorem 8.2, you can check the link. It will be there in description box. Okay. So after that it will be very easy for you to do this theorem. So in this theorem we have to prove if each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. This we have to prove. So what is given? Given is opposite pair of sides are equal. That is AB is equals to side CD and AD is equals to side BC. This is your given. Okay, and we have to prove quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. This we have to prove. So whenever you have to prove that quadrilateral ABCD or any quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then what? Then its opposite side will be parallel. Okay, then before doing anything, just set one target in your mind that what you have to prove. और जो भी प्रूव करना है उसके लिए हमें करना क्या है, दैट टारगेट यू हैव टू सेट इन योर माइंड. सो हियर वी आर गिवन विद ओनली quadrilateral, that is ABCD. This is given and its opposite sides are equal and we have to prove it's a parallelogram. So parallelogram के लिए what we have to do, we have to make the opposite pair of parallelogram parallel. So this is a property of a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then its property is that its opposite side will be parallel. So we have to make the opposite side parallel. Okay, so parallel करने के लिए what we have to do, we have to make the triangle congruent. तो any two sides parallel कब होंगी? When their alternate pair will be equal. जब alternate pair equal हो गया, then उसका opposite sides parallel आ जाएंगी. अगर parallel sides आ गई तो it will be a parallelogram. So for that we have to divide this quadrilateral in two triangles. So I'm joining this diagonal AC and I'm getting two triangles, that is triangle number 1 and triangle 2. I'm getting these two triangles. You can join any other diagonal also. You can join BD also. Okay, you can solve by that also, BD, if you will take BD diagonal. Okay, here I am taking diagonal AC. So this is our construction, join diagonal AC. Okay, this is our construction. So now to prove quadrilateral ABCD parallelogram, we have to divide this quadrilateral in two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Okay, so here I am taking these two triangles ABC and CDA. I am taking these two triangles. So in triangle ABC and CDA, what we have? We have given AB is equals to side CD. This is your given. Please write reasons. Then second pair is AD is equals to side BC. This is also given. Your reasons are very important. There will be 1 mark for each reason. Then AD is equals to BC. Then what is the third one? That is AC is equals to AC. Why AC is equals to AC? Because it is a common side. Right? Common side. Now, if all these three parts are equal, that's AB is equals to CD, AD is equals to BC and AC is equals to AC, then what? Then our triangle, then therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Children, this order is very important. ABC is equals to CDA. If triangles are congruent, this is which rule? By side, side, side criteria. Okay, so our two triangles are now congruent. So if triangles are congruent, then the remaining parts will be equal. So which remaining part? Remaining parts we are taking here. Angle 1, say this is angle 1, this is your angle 2. and here I am taking angle 3. This is your angle 4. You can write their name also. This is for your convenience. So if triangles are congruent, then their remaining parts will be equal. So remaining parts, which remaining part I am taking now? Angle BAC. I am taking this angle BAC. Okay. So here I have, so therefore we can say that this implies angle BAC will be equal to angle DCA. Angle DCA. Which type of these angles are? These are alternate interior angles. Okay, you can write in short also. Alternate interior angle. But this is from CPCT. This we'll write later. Not now, we can write it after that. First we have to write the reason that why these two angles are equal, because of CPCT. CPCT. Okay, what is the full form of CPCT? CPCT is a corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now you can write if these two angles are equal. But what type of angle these are? Here we have to write. But these are, we can say that, but these are alternate interior angles. Okay, but these are alternate interior angles. Here we can write, if their alternate interior angles are equal, which type of alternate interior angle? We can say that Z shape angles are here. I am taking here angle 1 is equals to angle 2. This is Z shape angle. Whenever their Z shape angles are equal, that are the alternate angles. Then if alternate angles are equal, which sides they are making? Side CD and side BC, and this AC is a transversal. Then these two sides will be parallel. If these alternate angles are equal, we can say that therefore side AB is parallel to side CD. Side AB will be parallel to side CD. Why these two sides are parallel? Because their alternate angles are equal. जब भी alternate angles equal आते हैं तो उन दो sides के साथ जिनके साथ वो alternate angle बनते हैं with transversal, that sides will be parallel. Okay, then side AB is parallel to side CD. तो ये तो हुआ हमारा first part. So here we proved one part of this quadrilateral is a parallel, and then second part also we have to prove. Now come to the second part. So if two triangles are congruent, we already proved triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Then the remaining parts will be equal. First part we already took. Now second part will take angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So which angle 3? We can say that BCA. This angle I am taking BCA will be equal to this DAC. Then angle we will write here. Now again you can say that this implies, again you can write that if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA, then what? Then angle BCA will be equal to angle DAC. DAC. Here from figure you can see angle BCA is equals to DAC. BCA is equals to DAC. You can say angle 3 is equals to angle 4 also. This is again from CPCT. CPCT. Okay. But these are again, but these are alternate interior angles. Okay. Alternate interior angles. But these are alternate interior angles. Again, if alternate interior angles are equal, then what? Then again we can say that now this Z I am taking, this one. So the Z shape angles are equal. Then again with which these two lines are making this angle? Angle side AD and BC, and AC is again transversal. Okay. If their alternate pair of angles are equal, then we can say that this implies side AD will be parallel to side BC. Okay. Will be parallel to side BC. Here we proved first equation. Here we have second equation. Now come to the diagram. What we proved? Side A, we can say that side AD is parallel to CD. From diagram, side AB is parallel to side CD, and side AD is parallel to DC from equation number 2. AD is parallel to BC. Okay, so we already proved these two opposite pair of sides of a parallel quadrilateral are parallel. Now from 1 and 2 we can say that from equation 1 and 2, if opposite pair of sides of a quadrilateral are equal, if opposite pair of sides are parallel, then you can say that opposite pair of sides are parallel, then we can say that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, so here we proved. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram and we are given with opposite pair of sides are equal. So जो दिया था उसी से हमने स्टार्ट किया. तो एक टारगेट फिट करना है माइंड में कि करना क्या था, करना था हमें पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव करना था. तो पैरेललोग्राम के लिए हमें वी नो दैट द प्रॉपर्टी इफ इट्स अ पैरेललोग्राम देयर ऑपोजिट साइड्स विल बी पैरेलल. तो हमको क्या करना था, ऑपोजिट साइड्स को पैरेलल किया. पैरेलल कैसे किया? टू मेक देयर ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स इक्वल. तो ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स कैसे इक्वल हुए? ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करके. ओके, सो हियर वी प्रूव टू ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंड द ऑर्डर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई विल शो यू हाउ. Here I took this order. ABC is congruent to CDA. See children, see here I am taking angle A. So angle A is coming in middle. Okay, here I am taking angle C. Then C is coming here. Okay, so this, if you will take the order same, your answer will be right. Otherwise your order will be different. थोड़ा गलत हो जाएगा तो आपका congruency में प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. So this is very important to take the order. Okay, so by side and criteria we proved the two triangles are congruent. After that by CPCT we took these two angles equal, but these two angles are alternate. Then by if alternate angles are equal, their opposite sides will be parallel. तो अगर opposite sides parallel आ गई, then what? Then that quadrilateral will be a parallelogram. Okay, this we have to prove. So hence proved. Okay, I hope you like this video, you understood everything. In case you feel any problem, please share with me. You are totally free to discuss your doubts with me. You can write in the comment box. So guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.